Welcome to FCA's The Lowdown podcast. Let's go.
Yes.
We're rolling, by the way, so you guys could start it.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to another episode of The Lowdown. Today is so special. I've got two special guys with me, my co-workers, my co-business development business development managers. I've got Ayed and Enzo.
Hi,
Say
guys.
hi and introduce yourselves, please. Thank you.
Okay. You the owners
The floor
first.
is yours.
Sure, thank you. My name is Ayed. I've been with FCA for 3 years now, doing business development for most of that time, and enjoying what I do.
Where's your territory, Ayed?
Mine's primarily San Fernando Valley and Ventura County.
And how many law firms?
I have under my belt just a little under 200.
How about you, Enzo?
So, hi, everyone. Nice to see you guys.
You too,
Because
Enzo.
I'm the only one who's very far away.
You're so far,
Yes,
Enzo.
I am based in San Diego. By the way, my name is Enzo, and I am the business development manager for the San Diego region, Murrieta, and Temecula
Wow, that's a big
territory.
territory.
Yes.
And how long have you been doing this?
Okay, so I've been with FCA 2.5 years. I work in the office. I do the policy limits at first for a year and 1.5 year doing as a representative.
How was it working in the office and doing field work?
Well,
What's the
it's
difference?
very different because when you're working in the office, you have to work on your computer, you have your colleagues with you, and mostly it's the processing.
Your eyes are
But
glued.
yes, that is right. But if you are in the field, it's more of like making and building relationships with the law firms. And I believe it's knowing their concerns, what they need, and how are you going to provide value in their law firm. So not just a vendor, but providing a value with the law firm.
So you drove all the way from San Diego?
No, Temecula.
Okay.
So it's like an hour and a half. If there's like a traffic, it's 2 hours.
Oh, wow.
Not too bad though.
Did you bring
It's
your coffee?
it's worth it to see you guys.
Aw.
We're so happy to have you here, and happy birthday, Enzo.
Oh,
We're
thank you.
so happy we get to celebrate your birthday with you as well.
Thank you so much. I did not expect the surprise, the birthday cake. So
You didn't invite me to your party. I'm just kidding. How about you, Ayed? How was the drive?
Drive wasn't too bad. I'm local in LA, and I'm an LA local, so drive is something I'm accustomed to.
And you enjoy doing it?
Yeah, I get to listen to the news and my favorite podcast,
Oh, you do?
which is now The Lowdown, which we have on Spotify. So tune in
yes,
on your drive.
Tell me about your visits. Interesting stories, funny stories.
Funny stories. Well, it's funny story.
How about the first time when you visited a firm?
Oh, good thing that you asked that. It's
Yeah.
nerve-wracking. So, if you may ask, guys, I am also a performer. That's what I do on the side, and I'm so
And
used
so
to
you have
people.
to sing.
But visiting law firms is like a different experience. First, it's intimidating because you're speaking with attorneys, and hearing that word, it's like, oh my goodness, attorneys. I don't even know their language. Their jargon is different. And I'm a former flight attendant too. So I don't have any experience at all besides the policy limits, which I had background when
Yeah.
I was still working in the office. So it's nerve-wracking, but as you go along the way, and active listening is very important in this job. It's not just about throwing your spills or, it's not about yourself. It's about them.
I
and
agree.
knowing
Yeah.
what they need. And
Listening
yes.
about the case.
And you cater to it, right?
Yes, you cater to it. And yeah, it's very I was so nervous, but I became friends
Me
with them.
too. I
Yes.
was
And
nervous.
that's the beautiful thing is friendships formed in places that we never thought they could or would, right?
Mhm.
So that's
And
That
it's
could
very
ever
blessing.
exist.
and it's very rewarding
just like
whenever
my friendship with you guys.
Mhm.
You are.
Yeah, and it's very
You're
rewarding
such a
if
nice guy.
they give you that kind of, this the same energy that you're giving to them, that you're becoming like a family. It's not
Mhm.
just business, but also friendships.
Exactly.
Right.
So most of them are your friends already?
Maybe 50% of them. Mostly.
It's amazing.
Still a long way.
It's a long way to go.
Yes.
Any struggles? Any problems? What that you encountered?
So, one of our job as well as business development manager is like troubleshooting.
That's
Uh,
correct.
right?
Mm.
Troubleshooting, and you listen to what they need. And one of the problem is whenever sometimes the attorney is uh overlook the information that they need, especially the policy limits.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And they were so mad because they didn't get the information that they actually requested, but it's actually in the report.
Yeah.
But good thing is that I was able to troubleshoot it, and he spoke with our policy limits department,
Mhm.
and that's how transparent FCA is. They can
Yeah.
contact not just me but our team, so they feel the support.
Is it the same for you?
100%. We have a huge support team behind us.
Mm-hmm.
On the field. We have a huge support team and a lot of resources here at FCA to cater to firms when we're not available.
That is
Especially attorneys reach out to us and call us after they've hit a wall and there's someone to respond.
right. Mm.
We're so fast.
Very fast, and we're expanding, and we have like I said, the resources and backing to be there for the firms when they need us, since everything is always so fast paced.
So do you think that this job is fulfilling? Does this make you happy doing this job?
Oh, 100%.
Mhm.
It is fulfilling when you get to help out and be of service to clients as well as firms, as well as case managers, as well as a service to ourselves by being able to help where we can.
Yeah. What do you
Yes.
think?
Yeah, same thing with Agid. It's very fulfilling whenever you provide value to the law firm, that they will say to you, thank you, because you're one of the element that we were able to settle the case and get the highest value of the case.
Exactly.
Right.
Which contributes to their growth, and being a part of a
Yes.
firm's growth and seeing someone being able to a client being able to put a down payment on their home, or buy their mom a car, or
That is
pay
correct.
for their kids college.
Mm-hmm.
It's just so fulfilling in so many different aspects.
Mm-hmm.
And when you see the smile on their faces, they're like,
Yes.
"Oh my gosh, thank you so much for helping." You know. So
It's
that's
a
very
lot of internal gratitude
yeah,
that's
and
received.
that's very
100%.
rewarding for me. You know what? Not every day is a good day.
No.
We have to be honest,
Yes.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Have you ever have an off day, and what do you do with that? How do you cope with it?
An off day. Like,
I yeah, 100%. And we're all human. We all have off days. We all have good days. We have bad hair days. Whatever
Yeah.
the day
Right.
is, we power through it. And
Yeah.
thankfully, going into firms, a lot of the times their energy, we vibe off of it, right? And so
Mhm.
many times they're in good moods, which will help us encourage ourselves to be in a good mood.
Mhm.
We always I'm always in a better mood when I speak to someone here at the company, because
Mhm.
everyone here is so positive and full of encouragement and
And
energy
helpful.
and helpful,
Yes.
always
Yeah.
hyping us up when we need it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
How about you, Anson?
Yeah, it's actually it's you need to have uh, a very conscious mindset whenever you visit law firms,
Mm-hmm.
because their job, they're solving cases, and sometimes they get frustrated with the clients as well because they have a lot of demands. They're actually the boss of the law firm.
They're busy all the time.
Yeah, they're busy
Yeah.
all the time. So
Yeah.
visiting the law firm, if they're not in a good mood, but if we have treats, that's how we work, by the way. Especially to our VIP law firms,
Yeah.
we give treats, and that changes everything.
Who can't be happy when you're going out with a couple case managers to In and Out on your lunch break,
That
or coming in an office with some
Right?
fresh break Portos.
yes,
Right?
I'll be so
That'll
happy.
put you in a good mood instantly.
Uh-huh.
And then getting the clients cash advances so they're not calling every other week to know the status of their case, because the client's secure and can take care of their financial obligations also helps the law firms get in a good mood as well as us.
Like for me, if I'm having a bad day, I'll just take a deep breath. Like take a deep breath,
Right.
think, and go from there. Like you cannot be not positive.
Yeah,
You
how
know,
do you cope with
yeah,
that,
like
Irene? How do you deal with it? A
you,
bad day, bad mood.
you cannot let it destroy your day. That's what I'm saying. You take a deep breath, you think things through, and you have to stay positive. You work around it, and you find
What
a solution to
I
that.
love it. And what kind
You
of
have to be patient.
That is right.
Patience is the key.
yes.
Yes.
And what magic potion do you have in your Labubu Stanley? Offers that kind of enlightenment.
It's their happy face. And the happiness when I buy them. Anyway, I'm thirsty.
I love it.
And since we are also, having relationships with the law firms, sometimes I do like ask them, how was their day or what if they're not in a good mood and I notice it and I'm close to them. I ask, is there something else that frustrates you or that I can be of help so that
They tell you.
yes, they will tell me because,
They will
I
share
treat
that
them not just
information
a
with
business
you.
partner, but as a family too.
And what's your both of you? What's your go-to treats? Like, what's a staple treat you guys buy for your law firms to treat them?
Oh, okay. So my go-to is like donuts. Who doesn't
Okay.
want sweets?
Is there a specific donut shop that you like in the San Diego region?
In the San Diego region, it's Krispy Kreme.
Okay. Over here we have Voodoo Donuts, Sidecar, Krispy Kreme.
Yeah.
All the good stuff
All
right
the good
here.
stuff. Yeah.
Oh,
Crumble.
SC's wonderful too.
Yes. And I think knowing the law firm's preference, because each law firm has their own diet too. So I always ask if you have like
Yes, that's
special
right.
requests, are you in a certain diet? And I think that makes a difference because I noticed before I gave them like sweets and then the next time I went to the law firm it's still there and I felt bad and I was like you don't like what I gave. So I always make sure that they like what I'm bringing to them.
Yeah.
And also
totally.
pizza. I love giving pizza.
Oh,
You'll
no
never get
way.
with pizza.
I love it. That's a good
How
one.
about you? I know
Well,
you lost a lot of weight,
Uh-huh.
but what's your special
You
treat?
know, just it depends on the region. Like I said, Portos, a good In and Out
Mm.
is always helpful. Who doesn't love that? As a double with a shake at lunch
Oh
is
my
is
goodness.
awesome. Um, and there's so many things for the law firms or people at firms that are trying to stay health conscious. There's always
Yes.
fruit or protein
That is
bars,
correct.
protein cookies
Uh-huh.
as well.
Did
So
they did they ever give them flowers?
Yes.
Like
I was about to
orchid?
say
of course,
yes.
yeah, for
They love that,
birthdays,
right?
yeah.
Yes.
Or
They
if
love
a
Yeah.
firm is
flowers.
just moving
Yeah.
into a new space or
Mhm.
expanding,
Mhm.
always nice to see a beautiful orchid.
And as per my style, I normally do a research to my clients like if the attorney is into golfing, I'm gonna give them a golf ball, or if they want wine, so that I play around with the goodies that I'm giving to them. So it's
See,
more personal.
I love it. I love
Fancy.
it. Very, very.
Since we're talking about FCA, uh FC we do offer a lot of services, right?
Yes,
Oh
that
yeah.
is correct.
Cash advances, investigation services, DMV services, DMV vehicle services, criminal background searches,
Skip
service of
trace.
process,
That's a lot.
so many investigation services. I mean, attorneys really need FCA in their corner. We
'Cause-
are a lot of help.
Yeah, because investigation, it's not just about like playing a detective, right?
No,
Mm.
It caters to it's a wide scope of service.
it
Like,
is.
So
It
it's like a
is.
bridge that connects to uh next step in solving the case.
Mm.
It's
Yeah.
like it's like a bridge that connects the gap.
Exactly, exactly. And although the case managers and case handlers at firms are investigators themselves, like the
Mm-hmm.
inspector gadgets of the firm,
Mm-hmm.
who don't wear the trench coat, there's still a lot of assistance that is needed, in which FCA is there to provide the services when those searches and services are in need.
Because it's gonna take forever if they do it on their own.
Yeah,
Yes.
yes. Submitting an SR-19, waiting in the mail, doing an attorney
Mhm.
search, waiting could take months with the backlog, and get through
Yes.
FCA for a small fee. You
Mhm.
can bypass all those procedures and get a result instantly within 2 weeks.
That's amazing. Isn't that how you want to do it, right? Fast
Exactly.
and
Yes.
reliable.
Fast,
Especially
reliable.
nowadays, we are living in a very fast-paced world and we want instant results.
Any instances where um
No, I was just
go
gonna
ahead,
say,
go ahead.
lawyers love early intel. And case managers love it as well, so they can build up a case, get the proper treatment for the client,
Yes.
get an offer and a settlement within 6 months if everything is done
Information.
properly. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
And isn't it amazing that even if the law firms only has a plate number and they're struggling that, getting the information of the at fault, we are still able to uncover the name and the address by providing the driver's record history report
Yeah.
so that we can
Even with
proceed with the
one?
discovery.
Just
the-
with one information?
Yes, that is correct.
So that falls under what?
Investigation
Inve-
services, DMV services.
DMV.
Yeah, you gotta be
DMV.
a registered vehicle owner of the
Okay.
person with license plates registered to.
Okay. So that's all you need. Just
100%.
yeah.
Providing leverage in settlement decisions. It's
What
amazing.
information? What other information do you need from that? And who are the contact persons?
Well, us as your business development representative,
Mm-hmm.
whoever's assigned to your law firm would be your direct point of contact.
Mm.
But you could always go on our website, fundcapitalamerica.com,
Mhm.
and all our services are listed there, including the way to submit a request.
Yes.
It's very user friendly
Mhm.
and very quick turnaround times.
So they can either send it through
Our online,
or online
online,
or
yes.
through us,
Mhm.
right?
Yeah, and it's very simple. You click under investigation services.
That's
It's there
right.
in the tiles. You
Mhm.
go to submit request form. Click the right option for skip tracing DMV searches.
Right.
And when you scroll down under case submission, there's a drop down list of all our services and the prices right next to it.
That's
It's
correct.
very, very user friendly.
Mhm. And if they're still having a hard time to navigate our portal, not everyone is tech savvy.
Like me.
Your business
I am
development
not.
manager is more than happy to walk you through, step by step on how to apply through our portal. Right, guys?
Yeah, exactly. And have you guys ever had a lawyer call and say, "Wait, our client has how many tickets, or what's their driver's history, or what did they have a DUI in the past?"
Mm-hmm.
We're able to get that information.
We're able to pull it out.
Have
Yeah,
you guys
that's
had
right.
instances like that?
No.
I know I have.
Tell
yeah.
us.
Tell me
yeah,
about
we've
it.
had-
Tell us.
We had to pull out a DUI, see if a client of theirs had a DUI in the past. We do it nationwide as well as statewide. There's so many services, and we even have combo packages to retrieve that information. Sometimes the law firm's client is not completely honest with them.
Mhm.
That's another challenge the law firm
Yes.
has to face.
Mhm.
So you have to dig deeper, right? And
Yes,
make
that's
sure
why
that
we
they
are
all
here
get the right
To
information.
validate everything.
Exactly.
If the client is really, good and transparent. So, guys, I want to ask if are law firms aware about this service based on your experience?
Uh, typically, yes, they are. If they're not, if I need to, give a gentle reminder,
Mhm.
I have enough time that I bring my computer with me and I show the law firms step by step on how
The
to submit,
process.
the process of submission, and what services we have.
Mhm.
Also, by sending a follow-up email each time I leave the firm,
Mhm.
recapping what services we offer. Because their mailbox gets flooded.
Yes, that is correct.
Flooded. So it is important to to remind them of our services.
And you know what? They're so busy. They
Mhm.
tend to forget a lot of things.
Mhm.
And that's why you're there.
Yes.
So
Well,
every
they're-
time you drop by the firm, you always have to,
Mhm.
reintroduce and remind them that we
It's-
do. I know they
Yeah.
know that, but
It's about being ready when you
Yeah.
visit them, because they're already on a time crunch.
Right.
So mentioning it during visits, bringing
Yes.
it up casually, while getting to know how their day is or how their week was,
Mhm.
is essential.
Mhm.
or if there's anything that we can help them with. really.
Sometimes when you ask that question, they don't know what help they need.
Yes, that is
So,
correct.
I like exactly. So I like to have them just talk about the case and
Yeah.
what difficulties they're experiencing in the
facing.
case,
Any concerns?
Mhm.
any concerns in the case,
Yeah.
and see where we could offer our services to them.
That is
Exactly.
correct. Mhm.
Yeah, they would. Oh, you offer investigation services
Services.
too?
Mhm.
They're
And
like,
some
yeah.
of them, they didn't know that these things exist.
Yeah.
So educating and, as a representative, you really have to be knowledgeable
We
about.
educate ourselves.
Yes, we are
right?
educators.
We do, and we have
Mhm.
a lot of resources that we spend time outside when we're not visiting the law firms to further our education in the field and about the services that we have.
Mm-hmm. And we have people here in the office who could absolutely help us as well, right?
Yes.
Speaking of investigations,
Tell me.
what do you guys think about what happened at the Louvre? Insane.
That's crazy. I
Insane.
can't
No
imagine.
cameras, nothing. It was a complete heist. 9 pieces stolen from
You
the
would
Louvre.
think that the windows, the glass would be bulletproof with all that
Tempered or
like,
something.
Where did this
Yeah.
happen, though?
Pardon?
Where did this happen?
In Paris, in France.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
It was the other day, right?
The other 2 days ago? Yeah. Insane. Complete, just like it was out of Netflix, out of Money Heist.
Uh-huh.
Crazy, just insane.
Do you think it's an inside job?
I
It could, right?
I has to
We should
be.
start
I
an
don't know.
investigation.
We have to start an investigation.
Or maybe we can do escape race to locate all of them.
Yeah.
Once we know it, there's so many things circulating online with Sora and whatnot, saying the Mona Lisa took it, a cat took it, it's just insane. It's insane. What's going on? It could be an AI robot. Who knows?
Yeah.
I can't. I don't know. There are just too many bad people in the world.
Yeah.
Yes, it's
With all the
insane.
technology, some people are using it.
They're beautiful.
bad.
One's like a mini crown and another set of diamond earrings.
Oh
I mean, it's incredible. But you were mentioning skip trace.
Yeah, you mentioned
Yeah,
skip trace.
which ties into our process serving. But skip tracing, if our viewers are not familiar, skip tracing, we locate the individual needed as well as their last known address in order to either serve them directly to get their service, or you know what? There's an instance where law firms have plaintiffs that pass away. Okay, and the settlement's reached, and the
Okay.
plaintiff has passed away. So there's the settlement just sitting in the law firm's trust account, and it needs to get dispersed.
Right.
So
And
what's
so
the process?
The
of that?
process is we're do a skip trace on the person to see if they actually indeed passed away and who their living heirs are, because the next person after after the plaintiff would be their living heir, so the settlement would be given to them.
Oh.
And these law firms need to close their the case out.
Case, yes.
Oh, is there like a time?
There isn't a time, but the funds cannot.
No.
They have to be dispersed, otherwise
Yeah.
they sit in the
Have
trust
you
account.
experienced that personally in multiple
Yes.
cases?
Oh yeah. So
Yeah.
we've got to implement skip traces in so many different aspects.
Mm.
And this is another thing. Law firms don't know sometimes that they can use that skip trace for an instance like that.
Mm.
So where or when do lawyers get this during the case itself? Do they get this in the beginning?
It could be
or
after
middle.
the skip trace.
Yeah.
Yeah, it could be used during when the law firm files
Okay, so in the
and
beginning.
go into the litigation phase
Okay.
and
That's
after the
before
pre-lit.
litigation.
Yeah.
Okay.
To find a defendant. Okay. Could be towards the end when the settlement is reached and their own plaintiff is nowhere to be found. Okay. because there's instances where people who are unhoused are getting hit by vehicles.
Oh my
Call a law
goodness.
firm.
So it's good to
The siren, that's
yeah. So it's
crazy.
good to know that
We're in LA, guys.
that the skip trace is not just for the defendant but also to locate the plaintiff.
Exactly.
Wow, that's very good to know.
Yeah, there's a lot of times, even law firms are giving their plaintiffs cell phones
Yeah.
for someone who is unhoused, for example, which
Mhm.
we could provide a cash advance for that
Mm-hmm.
to
Mhm.
make sure that their client is locatable and has cellular service to communicate with them.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, gee.
But do you get a lot of skip trace requests or?
I do.
Mhm.
I do.
Me one. Only
Oh.
one.
Oh,
Go
it's
ahead.
let me tell you guys, it's once again, lawyers need FCA in their corner.
Yes.
They just don't know it yet, or they
Yes.
don't know how to implement our services.
Yes, that they need it.
Yes,
Yes.
100%, 100%. So we had another instance. What other instances do you have, Enzo or Irene, where skip traces came into effect? What was your one skip trace that was utilized?
They just needed to locate this person, but I think this this defendant has been moving
Mhm.
houses.
Houses.
So
Well, yeah, there's instances
Yeah.
where they will move, okay, or they will rent out their home and rent another home because they wanted a larger home and didn't want to purchase it. So
Right.
they rented out the home that they own
Mm-hmm.
and had to rent out someone else's home to move into that home.
Mm-hmm.
so
So
apparently
there's
that
so many instances.
Yes.
it's crazy. The
I
stories here.
the stories, I love to hear it. I love to have these conversations with the law firms. Me myself wanting to be in the legal field to hear what's going on, what kind of cases are going on, what are the instances and the challenges that the
They're
case
facing.
handlers and
That
the
is
firms
correct.
are facing.
Mhm.
I mean, it's never ending.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And apparently that defendant, she actually sold the property. So the
Mm.
lawyer's like, oh my gosh, what are we gonna do next with
Yeah.
this? Yeah, because how are we gonna solve this case? How are we gonna look for this person? Yeah, she's not
Were you able to
found.
know how did they proceed after?
No,
No.
the lawyer didn't
Didn't know.
didn't know.
Well, as for me, for my experience, they tried to do a process serving,
Mm-hmm.
but only to find out it's not a good address. So we have to do like a escape trace to know where the defendant is actually is. So that's for my experience.
And how many attempts for the
for
process
this
survey?
for the escape trace or
Process
No,
serve.
process
process
serving, we
yeah.
do 3 to 5 attempts for that, and we are the only company
That does 5 attempts.
Yes, that is correct. And we cater it in the entire California.
That's incredible. And our prices, what I'm told, are the most competitive.
Mm.
Mm-hmm. No, and when you say 3 to 5 service attempts, they were like, "Oh wow, really?"
Yes.
So like, okay.
Uh,
Then they would say, "Yeah," because others would just do 1 to 2.
Yeah.
yes.
Like, okay.
And we even do stakeout, guys, by the way. And
Oh my god.
Wow.
yeah, I think that's minimum 4 hours. And I mean,
So that's like surveillancing the
Yes.
individual or the
That is correct.
property to see when they're coming.
mhm.
That's
Do you mind
incredible.
doing it? The stakeout? Do you mind doing it? How about you?
I mean,
I think that's a good side hustle.
I think it will. Yeah, I don't mind doing it, but
Yes.
it's definitely something that is needed and something that we offer.
Yeah. I don't know. You're like in a movie when you.
Yes.
Oh my gosh. I'm just curious with the things that you bring
Mm.
to our lawyers.
To our law
Yeah,
firm. So
yeah.
my favorite bringing, you'll never go wrong with pizza. Everybody loves pizza, and I also love giving donuts to my clients. And if I'm very close with the case manager already, and if that's a woman, of course I bring flowers and I put a note on it. So
Flowers
it's
make
very
anyone's
personal.
day.
Yes, and I like knowing their birthdays too. So I think it's even more special.
Birthdays are definitely important.
Yes.
We at
They
FCA
appreciate
do
that.
make sure to know everyone's birthday in the firms and try to celebrate it when they do arise, which I do like.
Mhm.
So you take note, right?
Of
You take
course.
those
Yes.
Oh
each
yeah.
and
So
every
in this
yeah.
job, I think we really have to be creative. It's not just giving away something to the law firm. It should have a personal touch with
Of
it,
course.
right?
100%. And
Uh,
that's what even makes it more fun.
mhm.
You get to use I don't know, is it the right side or left side of your brain, and tie in the creativity aspect and the the personal touch,
Mhm.
bringing us down to interact
You have to
with
be
each other.
unique,
Mhm.
Yeah.
but you have to
What
be genuine too.
what
Yes.
kind of flowers would you like, Irene, if you worked at a firm and either Enzo and I were a rep? What
Right.
kind of flowers would you like?
My favorite is stargazer.
Stargazer, what is that?
I don't know. I'll show you.
I like the bulb. I think they're the peonies.
Oh, they're so pretty.
Beautiful.
Yes, okay.
Because mine's like it's this big. I think it falls under the lily family,
Family.
and it
Wow.
smells so good.
But how long does it last though?
A week.
A week.
Yeah, but
Okay.
it
Nothing
smells so
beats a
good.
good succulent, though.
Oh yeah. Uh-huh.
Trader Joe's.
Trader
And
Joe's.
orchids. I love giving orchids, guys.
Orchids.
Yes,
Trader
they
Joe's
love
Because
has
it's
that.
very reasonable. They
Yeah.
live longer and they're like, in a pot.
What?
And it's not too. They normally put it in their table in the office.
Yeah.
And with my business card in it, so they
I
won't
love
forget
it.
me.
Well, you're unforgettable with or without your business card, and so. But I hear you just put an ice cube on your orchid once a week. And
It lasts.
it'll help water it. Yeah, and they grow
Yeah.
back after they die, so do not throw them out.
Yeah.
After
Oh,
some time, right?
They grow a couple months.
really?
But that goes to show you the cyclical cycle of life, always growing no matter what.
Always wrong.
Exactly.
Another
Give me orchid, okay, Enzo, next time.
another service that
We are providing is asset searches.
Yeah.
Tell me more.
Mhm. So for asset searches, we actually do two types of it. If
Mhm.
some clients are really big time and they have properties all over the United States. So FCA has something to offer if they only need for statewide or nationwide.
The more you know, the stronger your case, right?
Yes.
So if the insurance policy is not up to par with the medical treatment needed for the plaintiff,
Mm-hmm.
this is where an asset search would come into play. And we do extensive asset searches as well as bank account searches, which typically any other company you would need a judgment
Mhm.
for an investigator to run
Mhm.
a bank account search. But with FCA, you don't need that.
Mhm.
Once again, we're able to bypass these protocols and get you results without complicating anything.
That's amazing.
Definitely, these asset searches will protect the law firms from surprises.
Is it the last thing that law firms what's a term
Like
for
the
this?
last resort.
Last
Yeah,
resort.
yeah,
Mhm.
to pull out or
It is because
It
this
is.
is where the policy is not accurate enough to,
Mhm.
to help the plaintiff.
Mhm.
So finding out if their defendant has
That-
any hidden assets, not
that is
hidden,
right.
any assets not that they're not aware
disclosed.
of, disclosed.
Yeah, because finding hidden wealth is actually equals to bigger settlements.
100%.
Right.
Where in turn you may not go to the litigation phase,
Mhm.
but the defendant will be like, yeah, we have this assets, you're able the lawyer was able to find them, so the defendant may give an offer, which has happened in the past on a case I worked on. The defendant was able to give an offer to the law firm
Okay.
without getting into litigation phase because the attorney was able to use our services to find a not hidden again, an asset that the defendant had up in the Santa Barbara area.
And it was a good settlement at the
Oh,
end.
it was good. Yeah, we're
Yes.
talking enough for the plaintiff to put a down payment on a new condo.
Wow.
Yes.
It's that big, huh?
That big.
Oh my
Mhm.
gosh, good job.
So
Right.
yeah, so we're able to help out in all aspects,
Mhm.
as well as be there for the growth of the law firm.
Law firms. So normally, as per my experience, they normally use it if the defendant they're looking for is an athlete or a doctor. For sure they have something to
Or another business that they
business.
own.
Yes.
Yes, I've
They have
encountered that
multiple
before.
clinics,
Mm-hmm.
and it's jackpot for the
Yeah.
law firm and for the client.
I wonder if lawyers can tell if the defendant is hiding something. What do you think?
I believe so.
I
They
mean,
have
Just looking.
after so
Yes.
much experience,
Just looking at the
and
person.
dealing, we live in California. Everything's, you know, you never know, right?
never
You
know.
never know. You can't judge a book by its cover.
Mhm.
So,
I
it is whether you're able to tell or not. It is something that lawyers do have a hunch for, or again,
Mhm.
their case manager,
Mhm.
based on certain scenarios, and that's when we come in to verify their
Yes.
gut feeling,
Gut
right?
feeling, that's right.
That's the term.
Gut
Gut
feelings,
feeling.
you
Feeling.
always go with your gut, right? I mean, no matter how much knowledge someone has, your gut feeling will always give you that inkling of something. Do you listen to your gut, Irene?
Yes,
Oh, yeah.
especially for
Uh-huh.
women.
And you
Mhm.
make sure you take some probiotics so your gut is up and
Or
running
kimchi.
properly. There you go. Who doesn't love
Kimchi.
kimchi? I like the Napa cabbage kimchi. Is my specific favorite.
I love the radish. You know what? I can eat anything. That's fine.
Yeah, as long as it's kimchi, I like it. And in
And
the,
so, what do you
in
like
the
it?
Philippines, we have Yakult.
Yakult, there you go.
Yakult.
Hey, they have it here,
Oh, they have it here.
but it's so
Yeah.
expensive.
Oh, is it the same size, like a tiny one?
Yeah, this is.
Oh yeah.
I'm not familiar with it.
Yakult. It's like a.
It's a
there's like
probiotic drink.
million probiotics in one single shot.
That's easy, but too much probiotics will give you something called SIBO, small intestine bacterial overgrowth. So just be aware and don't overload.
Oh. Mm.
I got scared.
Moderation is the key.
Here's the doctor coming out of
I used to drink Yakult every day.
Oh yeah, same here. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I can finish like one
My
pack,
back.
one pack a day. But now they came out with tablets and yeah other forms like kimchi. So. Korean barbecue.
Oh, there you go. Nothing better than Korean or Japanese barbecue, right?
Right.
Now the best is the combo with the hot pot and the Korean barbecue.
My goodness.
That's where you get me. That's the key to my heart.
Right. Is there any
should
restaurant that you can
go.
recommend that they have Korean barbecue and hot pot?
There's so many around
I wanna
LA,
go.
Oh, wow.
Koreatown area. We should
I
go.
love Koreatown.
We should go.
We were talking about going to Dollar Hits. I don't know if you've heard of it. The Filipino restaurant where you grill outside.
Have you tried some?
I've been wanting to try with my amazing colleagues, and I told them they better bring me next time.
We will go.
Yes.
I tried one.
Oh yeah, I haven't been there. Yeah, I haven't, but I wanted to.
We should go.
You know,
It is good. Drink some water, guys.
Yeah.
I miss my lagoon.
what one service that attorneys do call me, and case managers call me the most recently are background checks. Backgrounds reveal so much and reveal stories about what is going on in someone has gone on in someone's life that could reveal so much in regards to their case. Do you guys get much background check?
Yeah, when
service
you
requests?
talk about background checks, what does it cover? Like,
We have a lot of different services. We do nationwide criminal background searches. We do criminal and history background searches, a bundle.
Mm-hmm.
And these kind of searches are really relevant to cases and helping attorneys navigate through them before it reaches the litigation phase, right?
Mm-hmm.
We also do probate searches statewide and nationwide, and nationwide civil searches, as well as criminal background and civil search bundles.
how do you think it helps to winning the case?
Well, it helps because the law firm, when taking on such a big case and spending their time and resources with their case managers, they can't afford surprises. They need to know what went on, what happened,
The ins and outs, huh?
prior arrests or accidents or DUIs occurred. So they're prepared when insurance companies who are trying not to give out these large settlements
Okay.
come back. Oh, did you know your client had 2 DUIs in the past? How if they were driving under the influence in this matter or that matter, whatever it could be. So the law firms can't afford surprises, and with our fast turnaround, national reach, and deep data access, we help attorneys protect their cases and their reputations from the unknown.
Oh wow. What's the most random thing that's pop up in a background report?
Or you
from
get
your
a lot of
experience?
requests.
I
Yeah,
get
I
I get
think
a
so.
I get a even amount of requests
Mhm.
with our investigation services,
Mhm.
but I do definitely bring it up when a firm is discussing their case with me, because again, sometimes they don't know that they need these searches.
Mhm.
Mhm.
What's the most random thing I saw in a background search? And this is what, again, it's great. Um, I don't know. These are confidential. They go straight. You submit your request with me. They
Mhm.
go straight directly to the attorney. I don't have access to look at these background checks. So that's another great thing about our company
Company, yeah, the
is the
confidentiality.
confidentiality and
Yes.
privacy that we take very, very heavily into
Mhm.
account.
That is right.
And it's another thing I respect about working for this company is their business practices and the ethical standards that they hold themselves to. So yeah, privacy is a big thing. And when a law firm submits searches or information about a client, a lot of feedback I get is, how do you know that another law firm is going to have access to the stuff we send you? Absolutely not. They won't. Everything is confidential and secure, and all our employees, as well as our CEO, takes privacy very seriously. So law firms have nothing to worry about
They
because
trust us.
they
Yes,
trust
they trust
us,
us.
and
Mhm.
Yes.
we value that trust so
And we
much.
keep it.
Mhm.
We keep that trust.
So yes, yeah. So that's another highlight of why choosing FCA is the right move and why attorneys really need us in their corner, because they know that we are going to protect them and the information they give us.
Mhm.
We are the law firm's backbone.
Yes,
Exactly.
exactly. Mhm.
It's what keeps them going.
We're the silent engine that
Right.
keeps going behind law firm success.
Mm-hmm. Without FCA.
Yes. Silent partner.
FCA.
Mhm.
Exactly. And it's a privilege for law firms to trust us.
Mhm.
It's a teamwork. Law
Yes.
firms
That's
and
what I love about
FCA.
this industry
Mm-hmm.
is the value of teamwork.
Yes.
Any exciting plans this coming week, guys?
This coming week, I'm going back to my horses.
Oh, that's
Wow.
wonderful. That's right.
Well, where are your horses
On the
though?
weekend, she
Yeah.
attends
You
to
play
ponies.
No. I take care. I take care of. I take
What
care
a
of the
lovely
horses.
meditative,
It is.
How many
calming
It's
horses do
thing
you
to
have?
go
Is that
to.
personal horses or
No, a
is it for
friend.
business?
He's got
Oh,
14.
wow.
Yeah, so that's
And you
my
enjoy?
happy place. Yes,
Oh
it
yeah.
is. How about you? You're going
Going
back.
to go grab some In and Out in a little. And
So we're gonna have Korean.
okay, we will have Korean
You're
food
such, you're such a
tomorrow.
foodie.
I am a foodie.
How about you?
For me, well,
Driving back to San
so
Diego.
driving back to San Diego,
Oh, where are you
definitely.
going tonight?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
No, I'm
Okay.
gonna be in Temecula first because I have a law firm visit in Oceanside.
Okay. Wine
So
Wine County.
yeah,
is
it's a wine
Temecula.
county.
I
You
wanna
should
go
visit there,
there.
guys,
Yes.
and we can ride that hot air balloon.
I was just gonna say, but I heard you have to go at 6 in the morning to
Yeah.
catch one of those. Oh, incredible!
I'm not sure with the timings,
I'm
but
game for it.
mhm.
I'm definitely game.
Yeah, you should visit. We can
I
have
didn't
fun.
know they had hot air balloon there.
Yes, they have it.
That's where people go. Yeah.
It's like Napa?
Yes, like Napa Valley,
Oh,
Oh yeah, a lot of
Oh,
wine.
but it's
gosh.
just an hour and a half away from LA. So
Maybe I can take my parents. My parents are here.
mhm.
Oh, you should definitely check it out. I think that would be awesome.
Without the wine.
Without the wine,
They don't drink.
you can drink. Oh, but you're gonna
No,
drive.
I don't. I can only have Korean food.
Without soju.
That's
All right. Thank you, Ayan.
for having us. And
Thank you,
so
Enzo. Oh
much.
my
It's my first time to
gosh.
be
I
here.
enjoyed our podcast.
I
today.
always
I
enjoy.
always do.
Likewise, and Enzo,
I enjoyed it.
Happy
It's my first
birthday.
time. Thank you so much, guys.
Enjoy.
Nice to see you.
we'll reconnect soon to the next lowdown.
Bye.